Welcome and welcome back. If you're new, hi. If you're not new, you already know what it is. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial video. It was requested on my Instagram, and if you want me to do a Q&A video, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. And before we get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Sorry if the video was short again. When I did a time-lapse video, it always end up to be so slow because you know how time-lapse is. I thought the video was going to be longer. It was only 12 seconds long. But hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry. And press that notification button. And follow me on Instagram. And share this video. And that's it. I just wanted to say that. Oh, and request more things for me to do. Anything, I will do it. Not literally anything, but you know, anything that is fun, not lame. But yeah, hope you like this video.